I live in the middle of the city, concrete everywhere, traffic noise, no land. But guess what? I produce 40% of my own food right here. Most people think homesteading means moving to the middle of nowhere, wearing overalls, and milking cows at 4 a.m. But that's the old way. Today, I'm going to show you the new way. It's called urban homesteading, and it's how you can become self-sufficient without ever leaving the city limits.
A few years ago, I felt trapped. The cost of living in the city was skyrocketing. I was spending a fortune at the supermarket for tasteless vegetables wrapped in plastic. I dreamed of being self-reliant, but I looked at my tiny backyard, it's basically a patch of dirt, and thought, I can't do anything with this. I thought I needed acres of land to make a difference. So I kept buying, kept spending, and kept worrying about food security. I felt disconnected from nature and dependent on a broken system.
Then I stumbled upon a guide to urban homesteading. It completely shifted my mindset. It taught me that yield isn't about space, it's about density. I learned about vertical food forests, container gardening, and even micro-composting. The guide showed me how to turn fences into trellises for beans, how to use 5-gallon buckets to grow potatoes, and how to preserve food so nothing goes to waste. It wasn't about being a farmer, it was about being smart with the space I already had.
I started small, just a few pots. Now, my tiny patio is a jungle. I have fresh herbs year-round, I have jars of homemade pickles and tomato sauce in my pantry. I'm saving hundreds of dollars a month, and the food tastes amazing. But the best feeling? It's the security, knowing that no matter what happens with prices or supply chains, I can feed myself. I turned my concrete prison into a green paradise.
You don't need to move to the country to be free. You can start right where you are, today. I've linked the urban homesteading guide I used in the description below. It's perfect for apartments, townhouses, and small yards. Click the link, grab the guide, and start your city farm revolution. See you in the garden.